You've got a thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match 18 starts with some human player scoring on the Red Alliance as Pastabots appear to be turned around. $95.6 scoring for the Red Alliance. 87.49. Not quite able to shoot again. As we go into teleoperated mode, both Taco and Farmersville are asking the same question. Do you want flour or corn? Pastabots reloading the Red Alliance side of the field, getting ready for their next shift. Farmersville unloads a volley into the Blue Alliance hub. Enigma moving their way back over to the Blue Alliance zone. They line up. Can they make a shot? And they fire clean over the Blue Alliance hub as Pastabots does the same over the Red Alliance wall. Pastabots lines up to the hub. They shoot and they score quite a few. Enigma is struggling to get over the Blue Alliance bump as Farmersville herds some more fuel into the Blue Alliance zone. Red Alliance hub is active as Pastabots line up. Their robot Stromboli making some scores right in the nick of time. Farmersville lines up and they fire a few into the Blue Alliance hub for the Blue Alliance. Stromboli launching some fuel again clear of the Red Alliance wall as we have 1 minute left in the match. Enigma crashes over to the neutral zone, trying to interfere with Taco's progress. Taco continues to try to herd fuel into the Red Alliance. Enigma isn't slowing down for anything. Purple Rain is trying to get some fuel back over to the Blue Alliance wall. They just make it over the bump as their friends Farmersville fire into the Blue Alliance hub. Both hubs are active going into the end game. Pastabots lines up. And they fire. Blue Alliance humans players continue to put up a score for the Blue Alliance as Pastabots fires again. Joined by Conspiracy. 3, 2, 1. And that's the match. Goes to the Red Alliance. Let's see if they clear that energized threshold. They do. 108 to 78. Red Alliance walks away with 4 ranking points. Everyone moving up in the rankings.